Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist, traction control. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.